Alright, this is going to be the parking elevator at some office building in Sarasota, Florida. Got a Dover traditional here. Very nice cab. You can tell they redid it, but it's still original. 5. Fortunately, the fan's on. On 5. Ready to go down to 1. Got an ADA compliant phone. Very nice elevator. Cab's redone, but otherwise completely original from likely the early 80s. Would be my best guess. Alright, let's go to 5. Here we go. There's your interlock, your lantern, there's your call station. Probably used to have a bumper. I'm gonna go to 3, because I think I can enter the main building that way. Let's watch 3 go out. You're on 3. And there's your call station. And there it goes. That's gonna be it.